With creativity and innovation, Ming Productions conceptualizes, writes, and produces video content for the internet and television, originating programming to inform and entertain your current viewers while attracting new ones.
Implemented to jumpstart the flailing U.S. economy.
Original productions like In Full View, also known as IFV News, caters to viewers interested in worldwide small, entrepreneurial, and medium enterprise business and finance. The show shoots on location.
Welcome to In Full View. I'm Marcella Palmer.
And I'm Jean Lee.
We're bringing you the week's medium and small business news from the Exchange. In H&R Block's Times Square flagship office grand opening.
Our second location this week is the first annual Cross Media NYC conference at the Scholastic Theater, also here in New York. Jean Lee is standing by at that location with more. Jean?
Thanks, Marcella. Heavy-hitting media leaders and industry executives are on hand to discuss,
as well as from the renowned NASDAQ market site.
Italian cooking right from Grandma's kitchen, or perhaps a trip to Italy with
TBC, The Business Connection.
Welcome to The Business Connection, where business bonds with you. I'm your host, Bambi Jones.
It's a sponsored news show format program. Business owners wishing to go a step further than traditional promotional material find themselves drawn to this fresh and innovative video content platform, ideal for internet or television. From concept to air, our high-quality productions are shot in HD, supported by music from our partner, StringStream Media, like this nationwide PSA.
We are GFWC!
And this internet commercial.
Colonial Animal Hospital, total health care for your dog or cat. Named one of the best in the Washington, D.C.
Whether
area.
in front of the camera or behind the scenes, we work harder to develop your project and make your vision come to life. At Ming Productions, your vision is our vision, a world of possibilities.